In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an incoming webhook in Slack. This process is a great way to automate messages and notifications from various services into your Slack workspace. Let's walk through it step by step, ensuring you have all the context and clarity you need to set this up seamlessly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to http://api.slack.com/apps. This page is the gateway to managing your Slack apps, where you'll configure new integrations like incoming webhooks. Now, take a moment to explore the user-friendly configuration UI available here. Click on the option to use this configuration UI to manually add basic information, scopes, settings, and features to your app. This is where the magic happens as you tailor the app to fit your needs. Next, think of a name for your app. This could be something descriptive of the function it will serve. Type it in the app name field. Remember that this name is what you and your team will see, so make it intuitive. Following that, you'll need to select a workspace. If you have multiple Slack workspaces, choose the one where you want the webhook to be operational. After selecting this, confirm your choice by clicking on Select a Workspace. You'll see a test button. Clicking this allows you to run a quick check that all your configurations meet expectations before moving forward. Once happy, proceed by clicking on Create App. Congratulations, you've now set the framework for your webhook. Our next stop will be the incoming webhooks option. Click on it to see the webhook configuration settings. Initially, the switch will be toggled off. Click off to enable this feature, allowing it to start handling data. Once you've done that, look for the button labeled Add New Webhook to Workspace. Clicking this takes you to a new interface where you'll select the channel to which this webhook can post messages. Here, take your time to choose the appropriate channel. If it's a testing phase or a specific team's updates, ensure you select the proper channel to avoid unnecessary notifications. After selecting the channel, there might be a default channel like All Test. You'll need to confirm by clicking on it. Finally, click Allow to provide the necessary permissions for your webhook to operate smoothly in your chosen workspace and channel. Once you've authorized the webhook, you can return to your Slack workspace and see it in action. Navigate back to your chosen channel where everything has been set up. You should now see a channel or message titled something along the lines of How to Make an Incoming Webhook. This is where the webhook will direct incoming messages, enhancing your workflow with timely updates and messages. And that's it, you've successfully set up an incoming webhook in Slack. Feel free to test it by sending a message from another service to see it appear in your Slack channel. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this integration immensely useful in streamlining your communication processes.